Howdy everyone. Hey, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, we've stepped inside the Peregrine in Las Colinas, the Peregrine Apartments in Las Colinas. This is a beautiful lobby. I'm not surprised how beautiful this is because this is completed recently by Toll Brothers. It's a beautiful luxury multi-million-dollar home builder, and they're in the Dallas area. They've been around for a long, long time. They're in other cities as well, but you can see just a gorgeous view, very luxurious. We're going to walk around just a little bit so you can see this. By the way, if you have questions at any time about anything you're seeing, send me a text. Just use the number below. I can set up tours or just answer questions. This is kind of more of a resident lounge area. You've got some free coffee waiting for you here. That's super, super nice. Love the free coffee that's here. And then you do have more lounge areas here too. This is very extensive actually. Wow, lots of space to enjoy. This is a bar area here too. So there's a fridge that's here. Looks like maybe they set up where they can have maybe tea, beer, something like that that's here, and so much other spaces here too. This is super, super fun. And then there's an upstairs area. We'll explore that in detail too. Also, we're going to explore this in a minute, but that's the pool. So we're going to go see that, how pretty that is. That's going to be really nice. And then we're about to see this library lounge, and that's kind of a co-working area. So we're going to see that in just a minute too. Can't wait to show it off to you. So this is the first floor, what it looks like when you walk in. Very, very pretty. So fun too. Lots of cool, fun lighting here. If you have questions at any time about anything you're seeing, send me the text below. Just say hi, and I can't wait to hear from you and chat with you about the Peregrine. Okay, now let's go in the library lounge.